Here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Part one. Here, this is a picture of a TV station. This picture will be your picture, and this picture will be mine. They are very similar, but some things are different. I'm going to say something about my picture. You need to say how your picture is different. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right. In my picture, the clock on the wall is square.
In my picture, the clock on the wall is round.
In my picture, the time on the clock says 5:30.
In my picture, the time on the clock says it's 5 o'clock.
Correct. In front of the clock, there is a woman working in a blue shirt. In my picture, she's talking on the phone.
In my picture, she is typing.
Correct. Across from the woman working on the computer, there is a cameraman. In my picture, he's got blonde hair.
In my picture, he's got brown hair.
And in front of the camera and the cameraman, the weatherman is wearing a red striped shirt.
In my picture, the weatherman is wearing a blue striped shirt.
Very good. And in my picture, the weatherman is pointing to sunny weather.
In my picture, the weatherman is pointing to cloudy weather.
Good. On the left side of the room, there are two people sitting on a sofa. In my picture, the boy is shorter than the girl.
In my picture, the boy is taller than the girl.
And in front of the boy and the girl on the sofa, there is a table. In my picture, there is a cake on the table.
In my picture, there are lots of magazines.
Correct. And the last one, in the middle of the room, there is a man walking in a green jacket. In my picture, he is carrying a lot of fruit.
In my picture, he is carrying 2 glasses of orange juice.
There we go. Next one down here is to ask and answer questions. In part one, I'm going to ask you questions about Robert's favorite restaurant, and you just need to answer the questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is the name of Robert's favorite restaurant?
His favorite restaurant is the Black Cat.
And what does he like eating there?
He likes pasta.
And where is his favorite restaurant?
It is on the North Street.
And what time does it open?
It opens at 12 o'clock.
And is it cheap or expensive?
It is expensive.
There we go. And for part two, you need to ask me the questions about Sarah's favorite restaurant. You ready?
Yes.
All right, off you go.
What is Sarah's restaurant? What is Sarah's favorite restaurant?
Sarah's favorite restaurant is called Rainbows.
What does she like eating there?
She likes eating pizza there.
Where is it?
It's on Hill Street.
What time does it open?
It opens at 12:30.
Is it cheap or expensive?
It's cheap there. Very nice. That's it. Down here is storytelling. There are 5 pictures, and these pictures tell a story. The name of the story is The Brave Teacher. I will begin telling the story in picture 1. You need to tell the rest of the story in pictures 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right, you can look at the pictures now for as long as you want to, and when you're ready, just say, I'm ready.
Ready.
Go. All right. The Brave Teacher. It's Monday morning. Nick and Anna are in their English class when suddenly they see something happening outside the window.
They called their teacher over the window to look at it. It was a cat stuck in a tree. The tree is very tall. The teacher teacher walking to the tree to rescue the cat. She climbs up the tree and got the cat down. The class was very happy. The teacher has rescued the cat.
Very good. Well done. The last thing is just to answer some questions. The first one will be about animal groups. Do you know any different animal groups?
Yes.
What animal groups do you know?
Amphibians.
Yes.
Mammals.
Yep.
Birds.
Yep.
Fish.
Yep. And
And
very
reptiles.
nice. We'll go for number 4 then. Fish. Can you tell me some things you know about the fish group?
Fish lay eggs.
They do.
Their eggs are soft.
That's true.
They breathe with gills. They use their fins and tail to swim.
And what do they have all over their bodies?
They have scales.
And why do they have scales?
To protect their body.
Exactly right. The next thing is to see if you can talk about the past. Can you tell me 3 things you did last Sunday?
I ate pizza. I did my homework. I went to school.
That is 3 things already. This will be good. And the next one will be states of matter. Do you know the 3 states of matter? So I'll give you one. Solid. What are the other 2? Solid, liquid,
liquid
and
and gas.
correct. What is something that can change between states from a liquid to a solid or a liquid to a gas?
Water.
Correct. For example, you have water. How would you change water from a liquid to a solid?
I put it in the freezer.
Correct. And what is it called when it's a solid? What is the name for solid water?
Ice.
Correct. And we'll stick with water as a liquid. How would you change water from a liquid to a gas?
We heat the
Heat.
water.
Correct. And what is the name for water as a gas? Steam. Correct. Last one is art. What different types of art do you know?
A mosaic.
Mhm.
Painting.
Sure.
Drawing.
Yeah. Origami.
Origami.
And
Statue.
that's fine. Cool. We'll go for a painting. What tools do you need to make a painting?
We need oil painting, paintbrush,
And a can.
canvas.
Correct. And what would you need to make a mosaic?
Little pieces.
Little pieces of something, yeah. And if you just had one piece of square paper, what kind of art could you make?
An origami.
There you go. That is the end of the test. High five, well done. Swoosh. Take a